Let's create a simple poster using videos and text. First, add some text by typing L and press Enter. Go to the Edit tab to edit the color, font, and shadow of the text. I chose a wall shadow to create a sense of depth when overlapping the text. Adjust the color and position of the shadow to fit accordingly. Press the Copy button to duplicate it. Select the text you wish to modify and change the content. You can delete any unnecessary text using the trash icon. Now, add a video. Select a shape and add a shadow just like the text. Now, rearrange the layout of the text and video for a more visually appealing design. To create the effect of the shadow being cast on the text, change the layer order. Text order can be adjusted by pressing the layer button. Go to the Effects tab and select the appropriate effects. You can also change the order of effects like text or media. For example, press the Layer Up button to bring O to the front. Now you've completed a simple poster.